Hi there! Today we will be learning the names of a few farm animals. Remember to repeat the words after me and then see if you can remember them by yourself. Chicken, cow, duck, goat, horse, ostrich, pig,
rabbit,
rooster, sheep. Time to see if you can remember them on your own. Well done! Thanks for joining. Remember to subscribe and continue learning English with me on the Explore English Learning channel. I hope to see you again soon.